So, do you know that you can take care of your garden using ChatGPT? Let's see how. So, open your ChatGPT app and ensure that it is updated. Once opened, you have to click on the two lines at the top left, and one you will see an option. So, click on the option Explore GPTs. Once clicked, you need to scroll down, keep on scrolling, and you will see an option Planty. So click on Planty. So what it is a GPT which is more like a friendly plant career assistant, and it gives suggestions related to how to take care of your plants. So let's try it. So click on Start Chat, and here are some options or suggestions already given by Planty. So let's pick one of those, and can you help me help me choose plants for low light? Okay, let's select this one and see how is the response. Snake plant, yes. We do have one. That is pothos. Okay. Plant, Chinese evergreen. So as you can see, the response was quick and good response overall. Select the top 3 plants. From the list. Okay. Now it has started to pick the top 3 plants. Snake plant, it was at the top. Pothos was at the top. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zemifolia. Quite a name, I would say. And along with the ranking, it has also provided the reason behind choosing it. So snake plant, it is nearly impossible to kill, adapts to at most any space, and looks modern and sleek. They are indeed. So and additionally, it has given the points or the care this particular plant needs. So pothos ZZ plant. So people who all love their gardens, their plants, it's quite handy app which you can use. Some tips and tricks, share it with your friends who loves gardening. So a nice thing to try, right? Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day ahead.